colleague from Rounding Wood, Councillor Christine McNiven, to come on the stage and say a few words. Thank you.
Dear friends, thank you for inviting me today to pay tribute to our martyred hero, Bradley Wood. I'm deeply honoured to be here. I feel your sadness and support the Kashmir desire, the entitlement to freedom and independence. One of the most valuable outcomes of being Ghulam Hussein's ward colleague on the council and meeting his and now my friends has been the opportunity to learn about Kashmir, and when you spend many hours educating me in the history of the struggle. I totally support my Kashmiri friends, and you tell me what I can do to help the struggle, and I will do it. Thank you.